Good morning to all. I hope that all of you have joined. As it is the first class after a long gap, there may be little difficulty for you to connect. So within few days, everything will be properly arranged and a new timetable will be given to you. Today onwards, few days you have to follow the school daily timetable, means 9 o'clock to 2:45. In between any music period, art like that period is there, or moral science period like that period will be avoided. All the other subject period will be conducted. So all of you, according to the instruction given by the subject teachers, some may be taking the class through Zoom app or Google Meet or a Teachment. Most probably teachers may be taking classes in Teachment. Whichever the software all you have been using, so there may not be any difficulty there. Little bit technical issues may be there, that within 1 or 2 days it will be properly set. Now come back to our subject. Yesterday I have sent the question paper for the model test. During the winter vacation, what all you have done, that we wanted to test. I hope that you have done well. So far, it is not the paper has not been checked so far. And generally, the last question, some of you had raised a doubt. Only I send them the message that only answer to the question. It is not necessary that all the questions asked in that passage, not directly related to the passage, before the passage, after the passage, or related other topic also may be asked. That passage is only a hint for you to do the answer. All the questions will not be directly from the passage. That further also you have to be very careful about. What is the question given? Do the answer to the question. So that is the general doubt few students asked. And in further also, if any test paper sent, it should be submitted in the school app. It should not be sent to the WhatsApp. If you send it, it will fill the memory of my phone and that will hang. I may not be able to manage anything. So you may think that only you have two photos or one PDF, what may happen. But hundreds of students start sending. Means you are not the only one. Almost all the students feel that it is easy for them to send it to WhatsApp, and all may follow the same, and it will be a difficult. It will be very difficult for me to manage. So never send your answers to WhatsApp. And not it is not only for English subject, all the subject you have to follow the same. All the teachers having the same problem. So be very aware of it. Then merchant of Venice part, difficult part, already we have finished. And for this second Act 2, Scene 4 to Act 3, Scene 1. These many scenes should be learned proper way. And from the first semester, Act 1, Scene 1 to Act 2, Scene 3, till there you have to prepare. And that means this year, Merchant of Venice, where we have started, means Act 1, Scene 1 till Act 3, Scene 1, you have to prepare properly for the second semester examination. Then second is some of the poems and stories we have done, and some story and poem left there. That only we are going to start. Second, first unit test, only story we have done. Second unit test, one story left there. Then that we are going to start now. That is the very first story in your storybook. It is really not a story. It is a speech given by the chief settle. Then we may have a doubt who is the chief settle. Chief settle is the leader of the tribal group in tribalism. Red tribals in Red Indian tribals in USA faced a lot of problem. So the Red Indian tribals leader went to US president to request the US president for some privileges and special consideration from the part of the US government, American government. So after the meeting with the US president, Chief Settle came out and the newspaper reporters came to him and asked him what was the final decision. Then the chief secretary understood that it was very difficult for him to give answer to all the questions one by one because large number of newspaper reporters were there. Different reporters asked different questions, and some questions are repeated, and it was a complicated situation for him to explain. So he said that he will give a speech that will consist of that would consist of all the details of the discussion and what is the present problem the Red Indians face in America and what are the problems that should be considered by the President of America soon and what was the decision taken by the President of America in favor of the Red Indians. Like there are so many matters describing it. In this speech, the chief settle wants to say that Red Indians are the real inhabitants of America and all the other people, means white American and even African American, all are the people from other continent reached there and settled there. So the Red Indians are the only real inhabitants there. They should have some special privileges. But really, they have no privilege. At the same time, they have no proper freedom to enjoy. So that was the situation among them. In such a situation, the chief settled talked to the President of America, and the President of America was ready to consider them and gave them three different special consideration. One was the ownership on their farmland. The Red Indians are living in a particular area in USA, and at any time, the other people, means white Americans, were able to snatch the authority or snatch the ownership. That will not be. Means after the meeting with US President, US President declared that a permanent ownership will be given to the Red Indians where they are living. When second is whenever they want to sell it, they can sell it and they can get the proper price, proper uh, return for the land, means land ownership permanently given to them, and the document would be provided. According to the document, the Red Indians will be the real owner of their land and they can sell it. At the same time, they can buy it. If they want to buy more farmland, if they have enough money, they can spend money and buy land. Means land dealing, a proper rule made. Second is their culture and religion they can follow. No interference will be there in their life. So all the Red Indians in all part of America can have the right to maintain their culture, religion, custom, tradition, everything they can continue. Thirdly, freedom to travel. Some of the Red Indians have their relatives far away from their native place, various other part of America, and some of the group, these tribals, shifted from one place to other far off place. They wanted to meet their relatives and their forefathers' tomb. Their forefathers died in various part of America, and their dead body cremated in various part of America, and the present generation wanted to visit the place because they consider it is the part of their religion. Means their religion is based on their forefathers and their soul. They never believe their soul may go away from their native place. After the death of a person, their souls would remain there in their native place and always help the new generation, and there would be the proper encouragement in their life like the religious belief they have. So American president gave the guarantee that they can have three major rights. The first one is the ownership right on their land, and they can buy it, sell it, and get money. And second is their religious, cultural, and traditional freedom. They can follow it as they wished or as they practiced. The third one is the freedom to travel. If they want to visit any part of America without any restriction, they can visit and they can follow their religious custom and tradition accordingly. And these are the major points told by, given by the President of America to the Chief Settle for the Red Indians. Then there may be a doubt. Why the American tribal people known as Red Indians. Indians should be either in India or nearby India, but they are not in this continent, India or in Asian continent. They are in another continent, that is in America. Then how it is possible that we may have a doubt. Really, in America, there are three group of people. One is the Red Indians, that means the original inhabitants or the people those who born and brought up only in America. The original inhabitants of America are known as Red Indians. How they get that name? In Europe, just after the Middle Ages, in history we divide the period of time as ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. Ancient history mostly BC till AD, AD 1000 till there. Ancient history it is. Generally, it is not the exact division. After AD 1000 or 1200 to 1500 AD, Middle Ages. Then the third is till now it is modern history, like that it is divided. At the end of the medieval period, Europeans started sailing from Europe to various parts of the world. Their aim was to reach India because India was the richest country or richest area. Country that time it would not be one single country because India was divided into hundreds of local kingdoms. But these all together, the Indus Valley civilization, that area, totally considered as the richest area, and we had natural resources as well as spices. Then gold, diamonds, and other precious stones, everything available here. So Europeans mostly wanted to reach India. So they started their journey from Europe to Central Asia, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, India. Like that, a land route they popularly used even even from BC, means the ancient history itself, that land route was very famous. And through the same way, the businessmen were able to reach China too. But Central Asian Arab tribes become very powerful, and Islamic invasion was there in Central Asia, and the gateway of Europe to Asia was Constantinople. It was a famous city. Constantinople was considered the gateway to Asia from Europe. So that area totally captured by the Arab tribes, and they were considered very cruel, and they had no mercy and kindness towards other tribes. Only they considered that they would spread each and every part of the world, and others should not be considered. So very cruelly they treated Europeans, so they were not able to reach India through Constantinople. The Constantinople and related area totally closed. So, I mean, from Europe, they wanted to come to India through the sea route. According to the geographical discoveries, they came to know that they had to cover the big continent, one of the biggest continent, Africa, fully should be covered. A southern point of Africa, they have to cross. It was very difficult for them because the southern part of Africa was highly dangerous for the ships to pass through. But many of the sailors tried, and one among them became very successful. He is known as, he is in history, Indian history also. He is one of the famous person, Vasco da Gama. He crossed the Cape of Hoodcock, the southern part of Africa, and reached South India. And he is considered as the first man who reached India from Europe through the sea route. Vasco da Gama reached here. Before that, before Vasco da Gama reached India, that journey was not a short period of, well, within a short period of time. Many years he tried, then only he reached. Almost at the same time or before, European geographical discoverers came to know that they can travel not only to the south, the northern region also they can travel, and the earth is not flat. They had the knowledge that earth is not flat, it is round in shape, and it is like a ball. So if they travel right or left, after a certain after covering a certain distance, almost they may reach the same place. Means if a European sailor start from Europe to the right side or to the left side, finally they may reach India. That was the knowledge. So many travelers tried to travel the opposite direction where Vasco da Gama traveled. One of such a traveler was Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci started his journey opposite direction to the direction of Vasco da Gama. As the time is now over, now we are going to stop the class here. Tomorrow we may continue it. So we may stop here itself and remember where the story stopped. We may continue it, and many of your classmates have not reached here. According to the attendance, very few are here. So I hope that tomorrow onwards all will be here, and tell the other students also to join there. If they have any difficulties, help them in connection. And if you feel any problem, technical problem, you can inform me too. So that's all today's class. Tomorrow we may meet. Bye.